More. Most. Shock. 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 Vampire. Dragon's Maze. Killer's Instinct.
Dragon's Maze yung pinag-star ko.
Bumbuka. Puro nangyayabit sa mga bullets. Kanya minuto. Furnish the hand. Okay, Vashina Shama. Minecraft. Very good. Freedom. Potion of Betrayal. And Dragon and Natural. What to use the Grab, Shock, and Bomber Court. Finish the enemy. Let's pack. Wild Celebrants. Wild Celebrants. Minotaur Skull Cleaver. Bull and Mentor. Dragon Nail, I think. Serpent Already. Paul Field. Cussable. Rapid Flame. Common Infantry, Wild Celebrants again. And Ravage Spinners. Come on, fine one. Give me something good. Oh, what's this? Raptor's Guild Gate. This Guild Gate? What? Guild Gate? What? Zoe's Guild Gate? Zoe's Guild Gate again. Argyle Guild Gate. Rogue's Factory. What? Rogue's Factory. Go off that! Temple of a band! It's grand! Got a temple! Sorry. Let's put the temple abandoned and give my friend the description below. And this is Express Games. High prices. No, actually, good price. 2 minutes. April 27th. I'm gonna leave. April 27th. What day is that? Sunday. 2014. So, thanks for watching. Bye.